Welcome back to Ferrari Motorhome, the channel where we dive deep into the most luxurious, powerful, and jaw-dropping motorhomes in the world. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary for you. Forget everything you thought you knew about motorhomes, because this one is completely rewrite the rules. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, bold creation that combines the world of high-performance Italian engineering with the comfort, elegance, and freedom of a rolling five-star suite. Now, just hearing the words Ferrari and motorhome together might sound like a contradiction. Ferrari, after all, is known for its sleek supercars, iconic Formula One pedigree, and its obsession with speed and performance. Motorhomes, on the other hand, are usually about slow travel, relaxation, and practicality. So how did Ferrari manage to merge two completely different worlds into one vehicle? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. From the jaw-dropping exterior design to the ultra-modern interior, from the advanced performance features to the pricing that will blow your mind, this review will take you through every detail of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice when you see this machine: the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks nothing like any RV or coach you've ever seen before. It's long, it's wide, and it's sculpted in a way that screams Ferrari DNA from every angle. The front end borrows inspiration from Ferrari's flagship hypercar, with sharp LED headlights and aggressive front fascia, and that iconic prancing horse logo sitting proudly on a gloss black grille. The body is crafted using lightweight carbon fiber panels combined with aerospace-grade aluminum, which not only reduces weight but also enhances durability. Unlike traditional boxy motorhomes, Ferrari has infused aerodynamic principles into every inch of this design. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, the side mirrors are replaced with digital camera pods, and even the wheel arches are shaped to reduce drag. Ferrari claims that this is the most aerodynamic motorhome in the world, with a drag coefficient lower than many SUVs. That's insane when you think about the sheer size of this vehicle. The motorhome rides on massive 26-inch forged alloy wheels, finished in Ferrari's signature silver with optional matte black or gloss red trims. The tires are custom-developed Pirelli all-season performance tires, designed to handle both highways and rougher terrain with ease. The doors are no ordinary RV doors either. The main entrance door is a power-operated gullwing-style door, inspired by Ferrari's concept cars, that rises upward for dramatic effect. When you arrive at a campsite or luxury resort, you're not just stepping out, you're making an entrance. Around the back, the design doesn't disappoint. The taillights are thin LED strips that echo the styling of Ferrari's latest road cars. And the rear diffuser is not just for looks, it actually channels airflow and helps stability at higher speeds. Yes, you heard that right, stability at higher speeds. This motorhome isn't designed for just crawling along highways at 60 miles per hour. Ferrari built this machine to move. Now, let's step inside, because if the outside is breathtaking, the interior is nothing short of revolutionary. As you enter the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the first thing you'll notice is the atmosphere. It's unlike any RV interior you've ever seen. Ferrari partnered with world-renowned Italian designers to create an environment that combines racing heritage with luxury living. The floors are finished in a blend of carbon fiber inlays and hand-stitched leather. The walls feature a mix of Alcantara, suede, and polished wood accents. Every surface, every curve, every piece of furniture feels like it belongs in a multi-million-dollar villa, yet it's all packed inside this OTOROE. The cockpit up front is an absolute marvel. Instead of the standard RV driver's seat, you get two racing-inspired bucket seats wrapped in premium Daytona leather. The dashboard is fully digital, with a curved old display that stretches across the width of the cabin, providing real-time driving information, navigation, performance data, and even entertainment options. Ferrari has integrated their signature F1-inspired steering wheel, complete with a red start button, paddle shifters, and driving mode selectors. Yes, this motorhome has driving modes ranging from comfort and eco all the way to sport and track. Imagine a motorhome that can Switch from a relaxed cruiser to a roaring beast with the twist of a dial, moving past the cockpit. The living area is expansive thanks to Ferrari's clever use of extendable side panels. When parked, the motorhome can expand on both sides, nearly doubling the interior living space. The lounge features an L-shaped leather sofa with hidden massage functions, a retractable 85-inch 8K OLED TV, and a premium surround sound system developed in collaboration with Bang & Olufsen. The ceiling is equipped with customizable ambient lighting, allowing you to set the mood whether it's a romantic evening glow, a party vibe, or a calm blue for relaxation. The kitchen area is another highlight. This isn't your typical RV kitchenette. Instead, you get a full chef setup. There's an induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine straight from Ferrari's Maranello HQ, a smart refrigerator that can track your groceries and suggest recipes, and even a built-in wine cooler capable of holding up to 20 bottles. The counters are made of lightweight marble composite, which looks stunning while keeping the weight manageable. Heading further inside, the Ferrari Motorhome offers a master bedroom that rivals luxury hotel suites. The bed is a king-size memory foam mattress with Ferrari-stitched linens, and the room includes hidden storage compartments, a private entertainment system, and panoramic glass windows with electrochromic tinting. With the push of a button, you can switch from clear views of the outdoors to complete privacy. The bathroom continues. This luxury theme with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror that can display the weather, news updates, or even your driving stats while you brush your teeth. The fittings are made from brushed titanium, and the overall layout feels more like a spa retreat than a motorhome bathroom. Of course, Ferrari didn't stop at comfort. Performance is at the heart of everything they build, and the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is no exception. Under the hood, yes, this massive machine still gets a Ferrari engine. You'll find a twin-turbocharged V12 hybrid powertrain. It produces an astonishing 1,200 horsepower combined with an electric motor system that adds instant torque. This setup allows the Ferrari Motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.8 seconds. Think about that for a moment. An RV that weighs several tons, hitting 60 in under 7 seconds. That's unheard of. The top speed is electronically limited to 150 miles per hour, which is insane for a motorhome. But more importantly, Ferrari engineered the suspension and handling to make this vehicle stable and responsive. It uses an adaptive air suspension system that adjusts ride height automatically depending on speed and terrain. The steering is electronically assisted, providing precision at highway speeds while making city driving surprisingly manageable. Braking is equally impressive. Ferrari fitted this motorhome with carbon ceramic brakes, the same technology they use in their hypercars. That means you get massive stopping power with no fade, even after long descents down steep mountain roads. The hybrid system also includes regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery pack while improving efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the Ferrari Motorhome is surprisingly eco-friendly for its size. The hybrid system allows it to travel up to 80 miles on pure electric power, perfect for entering low-emission zones in cities or for quiet camping in nature. On longer trips, the combination of the V12 engine and hybrid system provides a fuel efficiency rating of around 15 miles per gallon, which is actually impressive for something of this scale and power. Now let's talk about technology. This motorhome is packed with smart features that make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. It comes with Ferrari's advanced AI assistant, which can manage everything from climate control to route planning. The system learns your preferences over time, automatically adjusting lighting, music, and even driving modes based on your habits. The motorhome also includes a 5G satellite connectivity system, ensuring you have high-speed internet no matter where you are. There's also an integrated drone system. With the press of a button, a drone can launch from the roof, giving you aerial footage of your campsite or even scouting ahead for road conditions. The drone can automatically follow the motorhome, creating cinematic travel videos without any effort on your part. Of course, a Ferrari motorhome wouldn't be complete without customization options. Buyers can choose from a wide range of exterior colors beyond the traditional Rosso Corsa red, including matte, black, pearl white, and even custom two-tone finishes. The interior can also be tailored to your taste, with options for leather, suede, wood, or carbon finishes. Essentially, no two Ferrari motorhomes need to be alike. Now, let's address the big question on everyone's mind: the price. With all this luxury, performance, and exclusivity, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome doesn't come cheap. The base model starts at around $3.5 million. But that's just the beginning. With options, customizations, and special Ferrari tailor-made features, the price can easily climb to over $5 million. That puts it among the most expensive motorhomes in the world, but also one of the rarest and most desirable. Ferrari has announced that they will only produce 199 units globally, making this not just a motorhome, but a collector's item. So, who is this motorhome really for? It's not for the casual camper or the budget-conscious traveler. This is for the ultra-wealthy who want to combine their love of performance cars with the freedom of the open road. It's for people who want to make a statement wherever they go. And honestly, it's for those who want the bragging rights of owning something no one else on the road has. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece. It challenges everything we thought we knew about what a motorhome could be, blending Ferrari's legendary speed and style with unparalleled comfort and technology. Whether you're looking at the exterior that turns heads everywhere it goes, the interior that feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels, or the performance numbers that defy logic for a vehicle of this size, there's no denying that this is one of the most exciting vehicles of the decade. And there you have it, the full review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a true game changer in the world of luxury travel.